So I've known Penny and Emma both independently when they were working for their own companies, and then when they joined forces to create What If Interiors off the back of attending an Altro Care Forum in 2018, where the concept of watching Jane Road from JSR Associates and delivering her very motivating, inspiring speech and presentation allowed Penny and Emma to join forces.
She was talking very much about thinking out the box, about how care can exist in more natural ways in the community, and very much inspired both Emma and I. And the slide itself was called What If, with a whole lot of questions on it. And we looked at each other and said, what if designs? And the idea was born right in the middle of that conference. So Altro's been very much a part of us since then, and continues to be as we specify the products. When we are looking at the design of which floor products go where in a scheme, we very much think about the flow of where residents and staff will be and at the time and what they'll be doing in an area. We chose to work with Altro Ensemble in the cafe and reception area, as well as some of the other areas in the home, because it is extremely flexible to work with. So it supported the interior design concept for those areas, but it also supplied noise reduction and comfort underfoot. So it ticked all the boxes for the residents and the staff.
So when Penny and Emma both asked me about what the technical specification should be for the wet room areas, we confidently said that it should be very much a safety-driven product. So shoe and barefoot considerations taken into mind for both resident and the staff members as well. So Altro Pisces and Altro Aquarius feature heavily both in the ensuite and the communal bathroom areas to ensure that they've got protection from a health and safety and slip resistant element.
So we use the Altro wood product for the dining room, the bedrooms and the hair salon because it looks very natural. It makes you feel like you're in a very homely environment, and yet it's still soft underfoot. So you get the look of real wood, but you get all the benefits of cleaning from the product that we've chosen. So it was the best of both worlds. Specifically in the dining room, it's a country style kitchen feel, and so it was meant to make someone feel like they're in their country kitchen, and we feel like that has really been achieved with the look.
Where traditionally carpet has been used, there seems to be more of a shift towards using Altro vinyl and Altro wood in these areas, and gives a USP and a benefit in terms of cleanability, maintenance and hygiene. I think What If Interiors have created an absolutely incredible space and a lovely place to call home, and with a combination of all of the Altro products, this certainly isn't somewhere that you could class as clinical or institutionalised, and has certainly pushed the boundaries of design, which I know both Penny and Emma at What If Interiors really set out to do, so long may it continue.
For future schemes, we'll definitely be including Altro in our specification because it is a British company, and so we really appreciate having the availability of product as we need it. We find there's a wide range of colour, a wide range of technical specifications, and so we can provide the creativity that we need to pull our schemes together from the range offered.
What If Interiors will continue to be a key account of mine, and I really hope that the relationship with both Penny and Emma keeps going from strength to strength, and we really can continue assisting them from a manufacturer's point of view in pushing the boundaries of design for care homes.